How to save/restore a model after training. After you train a model in TensorFlow, how do you save the trained model? How do you later restore this saved model?
For TensorFlow version is lower than 0.11.0 RC1. The checkpoints that are saved contain values for the variables in your model, not the model graph itself, which means that the graph should be the same when you restore the checkpoint. Here's an example for a linear regression where there's a training loop that saves variable checkpoints and an evaluation section that will restore variables saved in a prior run and compute predictions. Of course, you can also restore variables and continue training if you'd like. Here are the docs for variables, which cover saving and restoring. And here are the docs for the saver.
In and after TensorFlow version 0.11.0 RC1, you can save and restore your model directly by calling tf.train.export_meta_graph and tf.train.import_meta_graph according to this URL. Save the model. Restore the model.
In and after TensorFlow version 0.11. Save the model. Restore the model. This and some more advanced use cases have been explained very well here. A quick complete tutorial to save and restore TensorFlow models.
My environment, a Python 3.6, TensorFlow 1.3.0. Though there have been many solutions, most of them is based on tf.train.saver. When we load a .ckpt saved by saver, we have to either redefine the TensorFlow network or use some weird and hard-remembered name, e.g., placehold_0 column 0, denser atom await column 0. Here I recommend to use tf.saved_model, one simplest example given below. You can learn more from serving a TensorFlow model. Save the model. Load the model.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.